green bean casserole recipe coming up. Hey there, Space Coast friends! It's your favorite Space Coast Realtor, Margarett, here again, bringing you another delicious recipe to whip up in your new kitchen. And if you're thinking, I could use a kitchen big enough for a double oven and some countertop space for casserole making, then you know who to call, me. I'll help you find the perfect home to cook, entertain, and make those sweet holiday memories in. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome recipes, home walkthroughs, and fun facts about buying and selling homes right here on the beautiful Space Coast. And stick around till the end for a fun fact about green beans. It might surprise you. Holiday green bean casserole recipe. This is a classic side dish that's practically mandatory at every holiday table. Creamy, crunchy, and oh so satisfying. Ingredients: 2 cans, 14.5 oz each, of cut green beans, drained, or use 4 cups of fresh if you're fancy. 1 can. 10. 5 choices of cream of mushroom soup, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Adds a little zing. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1/3 cups French fried onions, and maybe a handful extra. We don't judge. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the soup, milk, soy sauce, and pepper. Stir in the green beans and about half the fried onions. Pour the mixture into a 1/2 quart casserole dish. Bake uncovered for 25 minutes or until bubbly around the edges. Top with the remaining fried onions and bake for another 5 minutes, just enough for that golden, crispy finish. Serve hot and prepare for the compliments to roll in like waves on Cocoa Beach. Fun fact time. Did you know green beans actually aren't beans at all? They're technically immature pods of common beans. Basically, beans that didn't want to grow up yet. Kind of like your uncle still wearing his ugly sweater champion badge every Christmas. So there you have it, your go-to holiday green bean casserole, guaranteed to be a crowd favorite. If your kitchen feels a little cramped while cooking, maybe it's time for an upgrade. Give me a call and let's find you a home that's as fabulous as your cooking. Call text 321-480-7662. Website https:/Margarett Sells Dream Homes. Come YouTube https:/www.youtube.com/dreamhomespacecoast. Florida. Email Margarett@Klein@exprealty.com. Don't again and forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes, local home tips, and dreamy Space Coast home tours. See you next time. Until then, keep those casseroles creamy and those kitchens cozy.